What's up? What's up guys? For today's content with my wife. So pa 1 million views guys. Para great birthday, di malilimutan. Mukbang tayo guys ito. Ito tapos yung kinilaw sa tabing dagat. Tapos kamuti. Yan. So, guys. Before that, manalangin muna guys.